can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
Guys, how beautiful is this candle? I love this pattern. And this vase thing is so cute. I just wouldn't know where to put it. I don't have space for it in my house. I'm also obsessed with these tea light candle holders that I just saw here. They're like only $6. How cute. But again, haven't thought this through, so no. H&M Home has such great stuff, you guys. Guys, how to die for is this vase. Oh my gosh. It's so gorgeous. And H&M even has these waffle robes in stock. I mean, they are a little pricey. You can definitely get them for cheap on Amazon, but these are really cute. It's already nice. Hey guys, so I just I came to get my brows done, tinted. That's why they look extra dark. Feels so strange vlogging in Midtown, but anyway, I'm waiting for Yom and Tangeni to come meet me here, and I think they're gonna take a little while, so I'm just gonna go to my office and wait there instead, because at least it's warm on the inside. I do have to pick up something to eat on the way though, so I'll speak to you guys soon.
All the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas.
Good morning and Merry Christmas, you guys. It is Christmas morning, and I just wanted to come on here and say Merry Christmas. It's the last day of 12 days of Christmas, which has been exciting and very tiring, but I'm glad I put out 12 vlogs. I might have skipped one day in between, but it was the best I could do. So yeah, it's Christmas morning and I just got up. Everyone is still asleep. I just got up because, as usual, your girl forgot to take out the meat to defrost for cooking for lunch, so I just woke up to come do that now. And I'm now drinking a cup of mid lemon, just because, you know, this season you gotta stay on top of it. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a great day with your loved ones, and if you're not able to be with your family, I hope you know you're having a good time wherever you are. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out if I should vlog the rest of this day or not. I probably will, but yeah, guys, Christmas gifting in my house has been such a fail, just because well, at least what I was giving Yom, none of it has arrived on time. But I got such great gifts from my husband, so I'm really, really grateful and thankful. Like, literally, he got me every single thing that I wanted on my Christmas list, even the things that I didn't know that I wanted but actually needed. So just actually got this mid lemon, and I wanted to call my parents because I saw my mom was already calling me. She sometimes forgets about the time difference, so I wanted to call my parents, probably video call my siblings too, but yeah. Hello?
Hi, how are you? Kola, you are loud.
What? Kola what?
Kola, you are on speaker.
Kola, I'm looking for the owner of the phone. Yes. Yes, Kola.
We go for it.
Oh, Ngori Penyan.
Yeah?
Ngori Penyan. Hey guys, the girl is vlogging. Yes, Christmas Day vlog coming tonight. Hold on. Okay, so I'm in the kitchen. Yom and Tengeni went to the gym, and I'm about to put my oxtail up. I feel like I'm missing a bay leaf. Oh, one of my bay leaves decided to fly away. Anyway, I was just getting my oxtail prepped to put in the oven. I don't mean oven, I mean to put in the slow cooker. I'm gonna put it in there for a couple of hours. Gonna have a nice late lunch. I forgot to buy broth. I'm just gonna use chicken stock because listen, potato kind of, right? No. Anyway, so in here I have my oxtail, my spices, my seasoning. I'm gonna put in some mushrooms, bay leaves, and some red wine. So I'm using this 1924 wine. I've never actually drank it. It's just a wine that I bought. Nice generous amount in there. Some broth to keep everything vibing nicely. I'm not gonna put in like water. I feel like the juice from the meat should be enough together with the wine and the broth. I don't want too much liquid in there. I'm gonna pop in my bay leaves and my mushrooms. So I'm quickly gonna show you a shot of my oxtail. Okay, so this is what everything is looking like, guys. I'm gonna put this in the slow cooker, cook it for about 2 to 3, maybe 3 hours, depending on what is the time now. It is now 2:12 to 1 to 2. Yeah, to 3 hours should be good. I think that's also enough time for me to do everything else. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in quick. Hey you guys, so I've actually put my chicken up, which I'm gonna use for my chicken pie. You guys have seen me make this chicken pie before, but I'll link that video in on top if you guys are interested. I'm about to do a cheese board now, guys. I've never made a charcuterie board, but they look cute, and I know my food will only be ready later, so it'll be good to have something for people to pick on in the meantime. So I'm about to make that. Never made one, watched a few YouTube videos, but we're gonna do this together, you guys, and we're gonna learn. I don't have too many things to put on it because, guys, my husband is not very like keen on cheese and stuff. So, and like I'm not the biggest fan of olives, so like I don't have olives. I have a few cheeses, some meats, crackers, what else, condiments. I have about 3, so it's not too busy of a platter. I'm just gonna work with what I have, and yeah, let's do this.
In my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling. Christmas in my heart, but this gonna dance.
We're gonna dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year,
I haven't tasted marunga, but I've heard of it.
No, I thought
Guys,
it was like Oshino.
We are trying, guys. This
Cheers.
is Julia and Tagani. We are trying palm wine.
Yeah, he's a Namibian.
I see the
Embassy
smell.
in Cuba. Yeah.
It tastes a bit like Oshino.
What?
I don't even know how you
Black.
That
Yeah,
juice.
man.
Mangongo, you
Yes,
know?
I have palm wine.
Yeah, there's the
Yeah, man,
non-alcoholic
yeah.
version. Because
Yeah.
Oh, really? I just know about the alcoholic version.
Oshino, it's really nice. It's very
But this is, it's not bad.
See
Like
the way
It's actually nice.
See the way I
Yeah.
do in this life. Because you can't have palm wine.
It
Somebody
tastes a
else
bit
will
like
have palm
that.
wine. What is this?
It's actually nice.
good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas